How to use Rabbit R1 demo on phone. The news that hit the industry is the appearance of small devices that, with the help of AI, replace our phones. One of them is Rabbit. However, what if I tell you that this device exists in the form of an application that is available for mobile phones? If you want to find out how you can use it, stay until the end of the video. All you need to do is tap on the link in the description of this video. A page will open where you will be greeted by a user interface that is identical to the one on Rabbit. Before we use this site, we need to adjust it a little so that it is easier to use. We will tap on the two letters, which are located in the lower left part of the screen. The display settings of this page will open here. We need to tap on the letter on the left side to reduce the display to 50%. This will fix the display. Now you can use this AI. To try it out, double-tap the screen until a text input field opens. Ask a question and the application will give you an answer to it. Also, if you tap on the button on the right side of the power button, we can access the settings of the application itself. That's all for this video. In this way, you can try out this device in the form of an application, and if you want, you can get a real one. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more similar tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.